If you dey look me kolo or you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable nationwide and Wazobia Max 57 Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja. www.wazobiatv.tv/live for those wey dey on top of internet. And this na that ogbonge politic discussion show as e dey hot every weekday from 10 to 11 not on Christmas sake of say all the action tori wey dey come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry am, drop am down, discuss the matter in total, give you license to chook mouth this and talk am the way anything be for body so that those wey dey lead us go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezogo Chokwote, and as usual I know dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well I stay concerned the political matter as e dey troopers hot.
Yes, a beautiful Wednesday morning to our wonderful viewers wey dey watch us right now. We don't carry as e dey hot coming away again that political program. As I always dey talk, that political program wey they do it, where they informate, they sunshine out with different activities wey they play out for our Obodo Nigeria. Today we no go different because any matter will carry come on this platform. Now matter we say somehow or somehow it go at least it go affect one or two people, or rather it will affect a larger population of the country. Today matter we talk about and one action when the Ekiti State governor carry out, but we'll enter deep into that one. I'll also open our phone line very soon, so that at least now we'll also give our own option and suggestion on how we will go about this particular matter when that time reach. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi. At this time, as Ide hot.
One of the issues when they cause problem inside Obodo Nigeria get to do with the issue of Fulani headsmen. Make we break am now, make everybody understand. Some people don't talk, say make we not refer to these people as Fulani headsmen, because if we say Fulani just like ethnic extraction, just like Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, or different people when come from different parts of this country. Some people don't talk, say based on information we know on the ground, say some of these people they come from Niger Republic, Chad, or Libya. Some now even from Cameroon. Say they just call them marauding headsmen. But we'll go break this issue down because this one get to do with the action when we say they come out from Ekiti State. The Ekiti State governor, Ayodele Fayose, when they carry waka go hospital, go visit people when we say they lose loved ones, then they injured inside hospital, or they wound where as it get to do with the attack when it happened for Okeako, for inside the Kole local government area of Ekiti State, for Friday when pass. So he can declare, say, no more cattle heading for inside Ekiti State. He clear in throat 3 times before he talk am. He talk say anybody went there anywhere, make them listen to him. Say as the chief executive officer of the state, as the chief security officer, as the governor, and the person when we say now he get the primary responsibility to ensure the safety of lives and property inside Ekiti State. Say he no want see anybody. Say the person they carry malu waka anyhow inside Ekiti State. He can enjoin other governors when we say don't experience this particular thing to toe this particular line. We can't bring this question come dey ask say as governor don come out come talk say no more cattle heading for inside im own state because of say the thing dey affecting people dey die, people dey wound, the thing dey cause problem between the herders and the farmers. Wetin shey na this one be the best solution to this particular issue? If other governors follow this one, our constitution wey already talk say people get the right to move so long as say the thing no go affect wetin people dey do, wetin this matter go turn into? Quickly we go rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break come back, we go drop this discussion and begin to discuss the matter as Ide, you went there for us complete time. As Ide hot, we dey come back.
Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot for our viewers. They watch us for Wazobia Max channel 57 and Wazobia TV. That is on top of GoTV channel 98. And those of us who they watch us for that is for live, and that's Wazobia and www.wazobiatv/live. We don't carry the program come again. And then straight up, what will be the topic they talk about today? Now the action where the governor of Ekiti State carry out just recently, where he talk say no more cattle heading for my land. And when I mean land, in the talk about Ekiti State, this is going by one activity where play out where somehow let them cattle headsmen do it, carry out one small badness, or I don't even call it small badness, carry out one badness for Okeako, for inside Ikole local government area of the state. And he can't come and talk say going by what he does, he say, but I say, as a matter of fact, say very single pass the matter go the house state house of assembly, make them do it, make them put a full stop on cattle heading for his state. But then just as you could talk, since we don't get a particular constitution where we say we give every Nigerian, as long as you be Nigerian, we give you at least this freedom to say, okay, if you go anywhere. How it is say this, we go fit take address this particular matter, so that at least we go fit find lasting solution. We don't even get the issue of cattle herdsmen and farmers getting issue. Cattle herdsmen, they carry out this one. Cattle herdsmen, they carry out that badness. The point we say, waiting and waiting we don't put on ground. Rather, waiting and waiting they put on ground. Where we say, at least people go feel say, okay, see my restriction, see my end, make us stick to waiting I get. So that at least we don't go they say we they get confrontation with all these people. At least people know say, yes, that one Nigeria would always they preach about, who they always they talk about, we go feed the experience. Now what do they talk about today? At you could see the studio, we still address this matter.
This particular issue na issue when we say for a very long time on top of our city hall, we don't discuss this matter, but it be like say those who supposed lead us for this country, they play deaf to this particular discussion because I mean a few months ago if we go to wetin happen for inside Agatu for Benue State, after that incident we see pockets of violence for some places when they talk say na herdsmen na cause am. We can also see the one wey happen for Nimo for inside Enugu State. Before we can see this just last week Friday, the one wey happen for inside Ekiti State. The question now when they ask now say why e be say our leaders go act like say issue not be issue on a small issue maybe because you don't concern them directly or until the thing reach one particular level. Why do we have leaders that will not listen to the cry of the Nigerian people? Number two, why do we have leaders when we say it be like say to them? I don't know whether they look at citizens as people when they say that we must kill them, or they don't protect the lives of Nigerian citizens. Why is this so? That's the question I will ask you this morning.
That is the question we are asking as well.
No, but you answer it first.
Chukudi, the same way they express bitterness, anger, vex on top of this matter, the same way
because of the lives of Nigerians when they die.
We don't hear
their numbers, in their hundreds.
If we get a system where we say, or rather, maybe we not just put out, we get a government where we say, every time we say things that has to do with life and death, people they pay. Just like say, okay, it will be resolved. Who will resolve them? Who be the major people where we say we're supposed to play the major role? The Minister of Information come out very recently talk say the issue of herdsmen, say that they address them underground. But addressing of this underground, we never see any light of underground addressing of this matter. Make we they see result. That is what we are saying. This is not the escalate enter into other states. From the northern side, you know they enter into middle belt. From middle belt, you know they enter southwest. From southwest, you know they enter southeast. Say no until this escalate to the level where we say we know we handle. Now our government come they run around and go find solution. The point is this: make we know what to go do. Make we find the solution to them. Make we know say yes, this matter we don't find solution to them. Make everybody mind your own business, going by what the solution that we provide. But if not, come they look and say, there are still people. Maybe let us. We will address it later.
So who could be what has changed? Tell Nigerians what has changed. Don't go about saying if ministers say that they address the issue on the ground. Oh, if not be say I dey try control myself now. As you talk that thing, I for work out on this particular program. The governor of Ekiti State now, Ayodele Fayose don't come out now. They talk say him ban cattle grazing. Excuse me, who could be let me land? Our constitution guarantees the freedom of every Nigerian. So long as say your movement no affect other people their own.
We all know that one.
When this particular see, boy.
No, they're talking as if me self. I know this not they vex me.
It's obvious. What do you mean? It's obvious. Who could be? Not be the 10th time. Not be the 20th time. Not be the 100th time. When we don't discuss the issue of Fulani herdsmen. Why are we still going back? Now, governor not enjoy other governors. So they take action for the particular state. How is it possible? Underground. See answer to question. Is that the solution? You are addressing it underground.
That is what we are presenting the matter. Make them hear us right now. Make them know what they will do about that. As long as this matter,
we don't present this matter. Why this government never take any particular action? Why has the government not taken any particular action? We people die before we see action. We all Nigerians perish before we see action.
No Nigeria will perish.
You say no Nigeria. What are you saying? What are you saying? When ministers say that they address issue underground and people they die every day, and you are saying we don't Nigeria. Let us say the issue as it is. It is really very, very clear. Ekiti State last week Friday. He don't add to the what's going to happen for this particular state. It happened in Enugu. It happened in Benue. It happened in Osun. You don't forget say last year Chief Olufolaye, the kidnapper.
We know that one.
Why? You say you know him. What have you done? That's the question.
Please, Chukudi.
Don't come on TV and say we know that one.
Make it bear in mind right now.
Underground people.
Make it bear right
underground solution to problem when they on top. Who could be boiled when they on top of Nyash? Boiled when they on top of Nyash.
You never catch me before. So I know say you just dey give, take and give. You never catch me before. Boy never catch me for Nyash before.
You go thank God say, go and wait because you as you dey like this, if boy, you don't.
Wait. So the matter. No. Hey, the matter don't reach for you to take me the laugh.
I won't give example.
No.
I say, boy,
I will not.
When catch person for Nyash, you say never catch you. I call your name. But your prayer point who could be from today and say, make boy no catch you for Nyash. If boy catch you for Nyash, you are underground. Okay now, underground.
That's why you tell me for. Don't worry.
Underground.
Mind yourself on this plot. I don't want me.
My anger be say every time we come here.
Nobody not to vex. Me say they vex. Make what does this matter supposed to address? You gonna do I look like the presidency?
Every time we throw the phone line open, Nigerians go call.
We know that
say
one.
This particular issue, make we solve am, make we do them like this. But we never ever. People don't talk about grazing. Make we get ranches. People talk about grazing reserves. Why e be say the political class, the people wey dey lead us now, governor of state come ban cattle herding for him state again. When the thing dey small, we go leave am say, hey, no be anything, it's nothing, we have bigger issues. When the thing come cause problem, we go come begin dey run from pillar to post. Nigerians are dying by their hundreds.
Chukudi.
But it be like say to us now, this thing no be issue. Unkubi, I'm a prophet today. Okay, yesterday I was activist. Last week when I was during the strike, I was a comrade. Today, call me Prophet Chukudi. Call me Prophet Chukudi because I have seen this thing. History is the study of past events.
We have seen
in relation to what is happening in the present, so that you can predict the future.
We have seen false prophets.
It's very clear. It happened yesterday. We don't do anything. If it happened today, we sit down, fold our hand. What will happen tomorrow?
Chukudi.
What will happen tomorrow?
Not be the same matter.
Prophet Chukudi has spoken. Thank you. Before election, now, didn't I say it? Call me prophet.
Chukudi.
Call me prophet.
See.
Prophet.
Hold on now.
Call me prophet.
See.
Prophet. You must call me a prophet because all the things when I talk since, everything just they fall into place. When I was fighting for the Nigerian people as a comrade, didn't you see the action? You saw it. As an activist, as a prophet today, as I speak this thing now, you know they see this particular action. Governor decide, okay, now to ban people. Meanwhile, how long will it take us? Legislation in place. Once and for all, we get what they call short term, we get what they call medium term, we get what they call long term. What will be short term? To ensure say this killy when they happen every day, it don't happen again. Medium term, to begin to put things in place. Long term, to see say this thing become a thing of the past. Where have we started? Where are we going? Don't let me stand up for you on this show because I'm prophet.
You don't talk finish.
Prophet. A prophet is not welcome in his hometown. He's written in the Bible.
I will never even welcome someone like you as a prophet from my own home.
Because I'm not from Cameroon.
You know if you can.
Because I'm not from Cameroon.
You don't make.
I'm not from Cameroon. Unkubi. You are from Cameroon. It's clear. That's why you will reject a prophet. Babalawo things. Thank you. Continue. And they talk this thing with anger now. And they talk and we pay. We don't the proper solution since we have not seen one action. Anyway, you are here smiling. You are here smiling.
We go open our phone lines very soon now. At least make we even open our phone lines now.
No, open the phone line. No, open the phone line.
Get reaction.
No, open them.
Wait, hold on.
No, open the phone line. Keep the phone line.
Hold on.
Keep it underground. Answer the call underground.
Hold on.
Underground solution. Continue.
Make we open our phone line now so that at least our viewers go feed waiting, go feed call and also contribute for the matter. So at least what you could expect from now say if you agree with this particular matter. What will be the solution where you go fit profile for them? But if you don't agree with this action way the governor take, what will be the solution where you go fit also profile to them? Now I mean because this is a collective decision. This is now what as Nigeria this is the effect. No state where this in no fee enter. But the thing is, let us have a collective voice where we say yes. See the cost of the charge. See what you want from government. Make consistently insist say government
they sleep. Who could be government they sleep? All the cause where would they go? Government they sleep. And they sleeping. No, three things.
Because
the prophet has spoken.
We have a government that seems maybe say black say that they ignore this matter. And we also have the people where we say about this also insist say yes, government must do the right thing.
Who tell you say we no dey insist to do the right thing?
We must keep insisting.
Okay, Unkubi, make
our
a
insisting no go stop.
As Governor Ayodele Fayose don come out now, come look say if you check his statement, he talk am clearly say since we realize say we get government wey feel say this particular issue no be anything, he go take am upon himself to defend the people. Fine. Chief security officer accepted. But two wrongs do not make a right. Now the first wrong when we don dey talk say this thing is wrong, see so what have we done? Answer yes or no. Have we done anything? You cannot talk now. You are dumbfounded. You cannot. No, you are laughing.
You are aware. You are aware.
It's just play.
It's
just play to you.
The bill where we don't pass second reading right now.
Bill pass. Second, wait.
The grading reserve is this now.
Wait. Bill pass second reading for where? Lower house or House of Senate. What a bill! What a reading! The one when they buy motor. How many weeks it take them to buy motor? No, answer the question. How many weeks did it take them to buy motor? Bill they pass second reading.
Listen
the bill is just passing second reading. It will not go for third reading.
Young
they
man,
will not debate.
let's talk. Don't you get tired of talking?
Don't call me a young man.
That is what you are.
I'm an elder. I'm an elder.
See, listen. The issue is it hurtful, it pain. We know that one. It a pain, and they will also talk on outrightly say, look, our government where they in place right now, they will say, then they pay. That is deaf air to everything what don't they talk about all this matter. Until people probably just like Agatu case where we say almost the local government as a whole local government now all this thing affect. Just they play do Maradona kind of
Mayowa from Ikorodu, he won't fire you. Just fire you because you are preparing yourself for. You are preparing yourself for.
Mayowa, good morning. Mayowa, good morning. Yeah, he did there. Shut up. Just mind yourself. Mayowa, good morning.
No, he did there, underground. You won't pick Mayowa underground. No, you won't pick him underground.
Wait, just hold on.
You won't pick him underground.
Let us collect call.
Who could be which month we did? The month of May. Who could be which month we did? The month of May. When Agatu case happened.
Answer now, why they ask me? No be the answer now. Do I look like a straight where could answer that question?
Who could be when Enugu Nimo case happened?
Answer that one as well.
Thank you.
He asked me, as if not in the same country with they. Why you gonna ask me question? You expect me to answer that. Answer yourself the question.
Since when this particular incident happened, Nkubi, what have we seen? This particular bill, he's there for traffic. He dey go small.
They try figure out the way where the bill go.
Figure out.
You know, say even the bill said.
Then they try figure out. Nkubi, are you defending people that it looks like they don't know their work?
I'm not.
Adewale from Shagamu.
I'm not defending anybody here.
Today, Nigerians will know who you are.
Nigerians.
Allow Adewale talk now. You want me to credit?
Hello. Listen. The problem comes from the government.
Okay.
Which the government knows the right thing to do.
Yes, we know that one. Yes.
They are only deceiving us in this country. When the government was there, what they are talking about, they say they're cooking pipeline. We didn't hear about this ram meter or nothing like ram meter. And now, when the boy was there, we are hearing Ramada, cow, green farm, running with imagine. Have you ever heard that before in Nigeria? The problem comes from the government. The government are deceiving us. They know what they are doing, my brother.
Oga Adewale, one quick question.
But then we will put out this question. One quick question. Adewale talk say yes. Say the government. It just like say they pay deaf air to the whole matter. But then even we as a people, we know say we don't get a particular government. Say someone then they address, then they give quick attention to this thing. But we as a people, we see what is the solution in our proof for so at least.
We as a people. What do we as a people? What do we government? What do we the work of government? You are saying we as a people. We have voted them there to represent our interests.
Thank you very much.
We as a people.
If we have voted them in and it seems they don't even know what they do, what they could do? Quiet, they look them. Not before us to talk and shout yes. Incidentally, they know what they will do.
My leg is shaking.
Follow.
My leg is shaking.
Government, keep quiet. May also keep quiet. Does it work that way? Kenneth, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, can I talk to us?
Yeah, the thing where I want to talk is the government, most of them, government officials, most of them now own this cattle. And the best thing we will go do for this nation now ranching.
Okay.
Yeah?
They hear you, they hear you.
What Governor Fire just said is the truth. Let all these cattle be
Make them get ranch, let me
confined in
say.
a place.
Yes.
Yeah, because this is a personal business and government is
Yes, it's a personal business, you're right.
Put things in place. And it is not fair for this nation.
Exactly.
And there is one thing I want to say. Buhari is not a saint. In his first session as a military head of state, he built a motel in his hometown, Daura. 10 million naira was like 10 billion today, which the federal government collected from him. When he was PTF chairman, almost 25 billion naira lost during his regime.
Oga Kenneth, we don't note your point as it get to do with
the
cattle herding matter for
exactly.
inside the Ekiti state and as it dey affect us for Nigeria. We don't also note this particular one when you talk. Nobody be sent, but it go dey very, very good make we do wetin dey right. Because at the end of the day, we go answer question for our action. We get Oga Joshua. Oga Joshua, they call us from inside Lagos. Oga Joshua, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Joshua, good morning.
Good morning, Wazobia FM.
We dey greet you,
Yeah,
Oga
Wazobia
Joshua.
TV.
Yeah, I just want to give my contribution about the flood enhancement system.
We dey hear you. Joshua, we dey hear you.
Yeah. What I think is that this flood enhancement kind of a thing is not the work of state government alone.
Okay.
But also federal government should have to intervene.
Primarily, it should be the responsibility of the federal
Because,
government.
if you check, yes, also the responsibility of the federal government. If you check our security, I can say is the most responsibility is supposed to be from the security because they are the one allowing these people to invade into our country to the causing problem and accusing blind people of Nigeria. So for our matter, they should check what they will do about it.
Okay, Oga Joshua, thank you very much for that contribution. You don't talk your own view about and say, look, make not just leave the responsibility for state government. But in this case, the sole responsibility of this matter supposed to come from federal government. And if we can't get a system where we say, somehow, a lot of people don't also come and talk, say, maybe because of, say, our Oga Presido, say because of saying come from this particular region, where we say a majority of them be headmen. And going by the fact that himself, somehow, himself they get this way some catches and all that. Maybe that's why they do this thing. If they pay, they even pay attention to this thing. But if we get a state where we say, at least, since government look into this particular matter, because okay, make we provide solution. If na ranch you want this thing, we want address, make everybody mind your own business, make them get their own ranch, make them know so yes, so within this period, within this ranch, you see where you go rear your cattle. And if not the other one where they also where they pass be, make we also know what make them pass a bill where we say in the end. At least
Now today your eye clear for this particular issue. Oga Kingsley, they call us all the way from Lagos. Second prophet, assistant prophet. Oga Kingsley, good morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Oga Kingsley, good morning. Chukudi.
Good morning, we dey greet you, assistant prophet.
Oga, include me. I
He said, why
He said you should advise him as a prophet.
Why would I call him? Why I will call him prophet? No, he look at my prophet. Oh, now what do you mean they talk? No, they come be true, Abi. I dey hear you, Oga Kingsley. Right on.
Look our president. Fine. We don't say that. Part of that body, one brings something now. Part of that body, that to tell people, it's diabetes. Okay, they start. When Bonu just had the people, he not do anything. He not even comment. We want to say something about this. Okay, now for I say, what happen? Now only PDP states, it happen. It happen to every other state. Only PDP states. Why is it like that? Why he not a big something to stop those people? Don't tell them no. They know they hide. This one they don't care how you do. They can't tell what. For this one, they are afraid. Leave them.
Okay, Kingsley. Yeah, we don't get to a point on top of this thing, and we also appreciate say yes, you don't contribute your own.
And it go good when we correct one impression when
exactly,
he make.
because
he talk about say APC PDP state,
exactly.
that one not correct.
The matter
because even for Benue State, for
Nigeria,
Benue State na APC state,
APC state as well.
Na Benue State governor and na APC person. So that one no be the issue, but we don't note your point. We get Rufus. Rufus, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rufus. Good morning.
Waiting, I want to be. It means they will not get security for this Nigeria.
Oh, ask him.
Now the same question they ask you.
Some people they talk say those people they are from Cameroon, they are from Chad, they are from Niger.
And then they enter inside Nigeria. Ask him. Let him give us answer.
They enter all our angles, they keep people. Now we now contribute with that.
Thank you very much
for your contribution.
Answer in contribution.
We don't get your contribution.
Thank you.
The point is, thank you very much. Oga IG come out the other time. That's Oga Solomon Arase come out. Inspector General of Police come out talk say look. Say some of these headsmen who they talk about. Say a lot of them. Say some of the blacks they come from different countries, and then going from different countries go mean say you go pass through border. But in the case where we say we get like more than 1 million space where we say areas where people enter, sneak into the country from. How it is say the responsibility is the responsibility of government. And then the chief of the IG of police will say, where is this matter? Also, suppose don't do so okay. See what's in the on ground though. Make we carry this matter, tender to government. Make them know what they will do about the porous waters we will get. These are issues that we say where we one of the.
So you know the problem. You know this problem since say people from Niger, Chad, Cameroon, Libya, then they enter inside Nigeria.
Address this matter for this.
Which address you address?
We don't talk about this thing now. One time.
They see the enter, but they don't see the enter.
I'm not saying then they enter.
They see the enter, but they don't see the enter.
Then they enter.
Who could be more go break? You have answered your own question. You have used your own hand to push yourself inside the hole.
Do I look like?
Let's go
to open the border to them.
Let's go to the
break.
You hold the key to the border. You are the one that holds the key to the border. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.